In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily make someone group admin on WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up WhatsApp app. Then open up some group where you are an admin, and then tap right here at the very top at group's name. Then scroll down until you find participants, and from here, first off, you need to add the person whom you want to make an admin in that group to that particular group. So to do that, just hit on Add Participants, and then select some user from your contacts. You can just checkmark that user and then hit on Add. Then confirm it. As you can see, the user has just been added, and then in order to make them an admin, all you have to do is just tap at that user and hit Make Group Admin, just like that. If there are a lot of participants in that group and it's hard for you to find the user, you can use search. You can just tap at that magnifying glass icon and then search for some specific user, and then you can tap at that user and make them an admin. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my WhatsApp tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and I see you in the next one.